How to log into Jacob's Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Jacob's Career. Login in Jacob's Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer, visit Jacob's Career, type Jacob's Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the second link, it will take you to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your username and your password. Input the username associated with your Jacob's Career in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password or username, click on Forgot your password or username. And if you don't have an account yet, click on New User. Click on Login. After entering your credential, click on the Login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. Once logged in, you can explore job posting, apply for position, update your profile information and perform other relevant tasks. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.